Sinotruk Hong Kong Limited is a Hong Kong truck manufacturer incorporated in 2007. The subsidiaries of Sinotruk Hong Kong manufactures trucks in mainland China. Its parent company, China National Heavy Duty Truck Group, is a Chinese state-owned heavy truck manufacturer, headquartered in Jinan, Shandong Province. Sinotruk manufactures cargo trucks and semi-tractor trucks that are used in a range of industries including construction, container transportation, mining and steel production, Howo and Sitrak. The company and its state-owned parent sold around 125,000 heavy-duty trucks in 2009 and accounted for about 20.1% of China's heavy-duty truck market. Sinotruk's overseas sales, mostly to developing markets such as countries of the former Soviet Union and Middle East states, accounted for about 19%, FY 2007, both in terms of units sold and revenue. Fuel-efficient trucks currently account for about 80% of the company's production. Sinotruk has obvious technical and market-leading advantages in the heavy-duty automobile industry. China National Heavy Duty Truck Group Corporation, Limited, Sinotruk, is China's heavy-duty truck manufacturer, initially founded in 1956 and the cradle of China's heavy-duty truck industry. It once manufactured China's heavy-duty truck, Huanghe branded JN 158-ton truck in 1960, and successfully introduced the STYR heavy-duty truck project from Austria and became China's company to comprehensively introduce foreign heavy-duty truck manufacturing technology of complete vehicle in 1983. In 2009, Sinotruk formed its strategic partnership with German MAN Group, by which MAN held a 25% plus 1 stake in Sinotruk, Hong Kong, Limited. Sinotruk introduced 3 models, D20, D26 and D08, of engines, axles of medium-duty and heavy-duty trucks, and relevant technologies of complete vehicles from MAN, laying a solid foundation for corporate long-term growth. Today, Sinotruk has developed into China's heavy-duty truck manufacturing base and made significant contributions to the development of China's heavy-duty truck industry and national economic growth. Sinotruk has been adhering to implementing independent innovations, carrying out its strategy in technologies and building its core competitiveness with intellectual property rights. It has patents in China's automotive industry. Sinotruk R&D Center is one of corporate technology centers, has a testing lab certified by China National Accreditation Committee for Laboratory and is capable of developing and testing complete vehicles, engines, parts, material technologies and other all-round R&D and testing capabilities. It's equipped with various state-of-the-art and precision equipment in processing, experiment and testing, of which the equipment related to engine, complete vehicle, vibration of parts and strength testing, etc. Approved by the State, National Engineering and Research Center of Heavy-Duty Truck was unveiled at Sinotruk in 2009 and has ever since played a vital role in development, demonstration, popularization and technical support of China's heavy-duty truck industry. In 2020 Sinotruk launched the new generation heavy-duty truck brand Yellow River. Equipped with low wind resistance trailers, the wind resistance coefficient of the model reaches 0.37, 30% lower than the mainstream products in the industry, far ahead of trucks sold at home and abroad. At the same time, the trunk logistics tractor of the Yellow River has Level 2 intelligent driving. The Level 3 unmanned system interface is reserved, which can meet the needs of Level 3 unmanned driving function expansion in the future. In 2013 joint brand Sitrak with MAN was launched and made the market success.